The air filter's nice and easy to do. So what I always do with air filters, pop it on there, come into my little pot, and I will cover that in red grease. Same on the other end. I'm doing this because it creates a better seal. Creates a better seal. I'll take the air filter out. You undo these two clips here, wiggle it out. That air filter's seen better days. It's all quite clean in there. I don't want to blow an airline in it. Not too bad, there's a bit here. In the bin. Get our nice brand new one. Lubed up both ends. Try and get it in first time. Ugh. How much more has it got to go in? Up. So it goes into that one. On. Clean me a bit of an area. I'll do 86 hours, and it was done on the 12th, 2023.